morning kids. My name is Poonam Srivastava, class teacher of LKG from Gurukul Kids Preschool, Manjalpur. Now kids, today start our session with morning prayer. God bless me and God bless you. God bless me and God bless you. God bless mommy and daddy too. God bless mommy and daddy too. God bless children here today. God bless children here today. God bless children far away. God bless children far away. So kids, start our session with new alphabet. Today I am going to teach you alphabet F. See kids, this is capital F. F for fish. Capital F. F for fish. Now see kids, this is small f. Small f. F for family. F for family. So kids, how can we write? See kids, you start F with red line. First of all, you draw a standing line. Start with red line to end with blue line. Okay kids? Now you draw a sleeping line attached with standing line on red line. See. This is sleeping line. Now once again a sleeping line you draw on blue line. See kids, this is F. F for fish. Capital F. This is capital F. Okay kids. Now small f, how can we write? First of all, you draw a standing line. See kids. And slightly you curve, downward curve, slightly. Okay kids? And now you draw a sleeping line in the middle of blue line, on the blue line. See kids, this is small f. Small f. F for family. Now once again we write standing line, sleeping line, and once again sleeping line. This is F. Capital F. F for fish. And small f, standing line, and slightly curve, and sleeping line in the middle. See, this is small f. Capital F and small f. So kids, let's read in the book. See kids, page number 36, capital letter and small letter. Let's read, okay? F for finger. F for finger. F for father. F for father. See kids, what is this? This is F for fire. F for fire. F for face. Face. F for face. Next is F for falcon. F for falcon. F for food. F for food. F for farm. Kids, F for farm. And F for fence. See kids, this is fence. F for fence. F for fork. F for fork. Okay kids, let's repeat again. F for finger. F for father. F for fire. F for face. F for falcon. F for farm. F for fence. F for food. F for fork. Now turn the page. F for frog. See kids, this is frog. F for frog. F for feather. F feather. F for 4. Number 4. F for 4. F for family. Kids, family. F for family. F for flower. F for flower. Okay kids, now you turn the page. See kids, this is your practice. Mention the date. Draw lines to join the fork with capital F. See kids, these are fork, capital and small. To the food with capital F and fork with the small f to the food with small f. You just draw the line and matching capital to capital and small to small. Okay kids, now this is capital F. F for fish. See, here is capital F. So, match. Here is small f and here is small f also. So, match it. Now again, capital to capital and small to small f. Okay kids? Now next is page number 41. This is your again practice. Mention the date. Trace the letter and color the picture. See kids, F for fish. Color the fish and this is tracing. Capital F. Okay kids? Now trace and write. Tracing the F and write down F. Capital F. Okay kids? Now turn the page. See, once again practice. Mention the day, trace the letter, tick the picture that starts with F. F for frog. Frog. Okay kids? So we tick. Trace and write. You tracing the small alphabet F and write down below the lines. Okay? This is your homework. Now again practice. Mention the date. Write capital F below the flower and small f below the feather. See, here is feather. So we'll write down small f. Okay kids? Here is flower. So we write capital F. Okay kids? This is your homework. Now, next is your practice book. Page number 24. Homework. Mention the date. See kids, this is F for frog. F for frog. You tracing the F. After that, you write down alphabet F. Capital F. Now, page number 25. Homework. Mention the date. See kids, this is small f. F for flower. F for flower. And write down the F. Tracing. Okay. Now, after that, you write down the F. Okay kids. This is your practice at home. So, do more practice at home kids. Okay. Thank you.